Welcome to SOP Central, a pivotal component of PharmaMax ecosystem solutions. SOP Central standardizes processes in the pharmaceutical industry by implementing standard operating procedures or SOP templates, offering a multitude of benefits. These benefits from SOP Central contribute to operational efficiency, regulatory compliance, and overall quality assurance. Let's explore the key advantages associated with the use of SOP Central in the pharma industry. First up, consistency and standardization. SOP Central ensure consistency in processes by providing a standardized framework for performing tasks. This helps in reducing variability and ensuring uniformity across different departments and teams. Next, we'll discuss how SOP Central aid in compliance with regulations. Moving on to compliance with regulations. SOP Central assist in aligning processes with regulatory requirements. They provide a documented and structured approach to meet industry standards and comply with regulations set by health authorities such as the FDA, MHRA, TGA, DGFT, and Visa, and other regulatory compliance agencies. Now let's look at how SOP Central enhance clarity and understanding. SOP Central offer clear and easily understandable instructions, reducing the likelihood of misinterpretation. This clarity is essential for personnel to carry out tasks accurately and safely. Training and onboarding. SOP Central serve as valuable training tools for new employees, facilitating their onboarding process. They provide a standardized resource for training programs, ensuring that all employees receive consistent information. Efficiency and time savings. Standardized processes result in increased efficiency as employees can follow established procedures without the need for constant relearning. This, in turn, saves time and resources. Risk mitigation. SOP Central incorporate risk management measures and quality control checks, helping to identify and mitigate potential risks early in the process. This contributes to the overall safety and reliability of pharmaceutical operations. Facilitation of audits and inspections. Well-documented SOPs, based on templates, make audits and inspections smoother. Regulatory authorities expect organizations to have robust procedures in place, and SOP Central demonstrate a commitment to compliance. Continuous improvement. SOP Central often include provisions for periodic reviews and updates. This supports a culture of continuous improvement, allowing organizations to adapt to changes in regulations, technologies, and best practices. Quality assurance. SOP Central emphasize quality control measures, ensuring that pharmaceutical processes adhere to high-quality standards. This contributes to the production of safe and effective pharmaceutical products. Cross-functional collaboration is greatly enhanced by SOP Central. They promote collaboration between different departments by providing a common framework for processes. This helps in breaking down silos and fostering a holistic approach to quality management. Data integrity is a cornerstone of reliable operations. SOP Central often include measures to ensure data integrity, especially in electronic systems. This is crucial for maintaining accurate and reliable records, which is essential in the pharmaceutical industry. Resource optimization is another significant benefit of SOP Central. They assist in optimizing resources by providing a structured approach to tasks. This ensures that resources are allocated efficiently and processes are carried out in a standardized manner. Documentation and record keeping. SOP Central facilitate proper documentation and record keeping practices. This is essential for traceability, accountability, and demonstrating compliance with regulatory requirements. Operational transparency. SOP Central. Contribute to operational transparency by providing a clear framework for how tasks are performed. This transparency is essential for internal communication and decision-making. Improved communication. SOP Central. Enhance communication within the organization by providing a standardized language and format. This is particularly valuable in a complex industry like pharmaceuticals, where effective communication is crucial. Alignment with organizational objectives. SOP Central can be customized to align with specific organizational objectives and strategic goals. This ensures that processes contribute directly to the overall success of the company. Customer confidence. Standardized processes supported by SOP Central instill confidence in customers and stakeholders. It demonstrates a commitment to quality, safety, and regulatory compliance, enhancing the organization's reputation. In summary, SOP Central are instrumental in establishing a structured and standardized approach to pharmaceutical processes. The benefits extend to regulatory compliance, risk management, operational efficiency, and overall quality assurance, contributing to the success and reliability of pharmaceutical operations. Explore deeper insights on pharmamax.org for tailored resources and support. Introducing PharmaMax Ecosystem Solutions, your all-inclusive platform for managing the pharmaceutical supply chain. Experience efficiency and peace of mind with our single ecosystem tailored to your needs. Visit pharmamax.org for more information.